When managing requirements in modern requirements for DevOps, clarity and organization are key. That's where Custom ID comes in, offering a smarter way to make your work item IDs more descriptive and meaningful. Instead of relying solely on the default work item ID, Custom ID lets you add a unique, readable code to each work item. Imagine seeing PX-REQ-00001 and instantly knowing it's the first requirement for Project X. This approach makes it easier for everyone on your team, even those less involved, to quickly identify and understand what each work item represents. Setting up custom IDs is simple. You can assign a unique code for each work item type, like REQ for requirements, US for user stories, or BG for bugs. You also have the flexibility to choose where the numbering starts. For example, you might want your user stories to begin at 1 or 10,000, and the system will automatically increment from there. Want to make things even clearer? Add a project prefix, such as PX for Project X, so your custom IDs are instantly recognizable across different projects. You can also include the scope, whether it's team, project, or collection, ensuring each custom ID remains unique within its context. Custom IDs don't replace the original work item ID. They complement it, making your queries more powerful and your requirements easier to track. With Custom ID, you consolidate key information into one field, streamlining cross-project queries and making your requirements management more efficient and user-friendly.